Hello, Randolph Public Schools students, educators, and Randolph community members. My name is Amy Hartley Madison, and I am proud to be the Assistant Superintendent of Randolph Public Schools. Superintendent Tia Stovall and I are so excited because today is
Randolph Reads Drop Day!
This is our third year for Randolph Reads, a community-wide read with the mission of building connections in our town and inspiring a love of reading.
This year's Randolph Reads theme is Read, Restore, Renew. We've chosen 4 incredible stories of resilience and the innovation of scientists, activists, and everyday citizens fighting to renew the health of our planet Earth.
This summer, we will meet Gigi, who's searching for clean water in her village.
Roz, a robot who learns to adapt to new surroundings and build relationships with native animals.
Elvie, who's trying to save humanity from extinction.
And finally, Vanessa Nakate, an exceptional young person from Uganda who is leading climate justice activism and reminds us how we can and must build a livable and inclusive future for all. Today,
Every RPS student and staff member will receive the best gift of all, a book. Treasure this gift of a story, share it, talk about it, and remember to come back to school in September with your book marked up with noticings and wonderings to share with your teachers and friends at school.
Folks in our larger Randolph community, please visit the Turner Free Library or use the free Libby app to borrow and enjoy any or all of the Randolph Reads book selections.
Now, for the big reveal. You're probably wondering, what books are we going to read this year? We'll turn it over to a few of our incredible Randolph Public Schools students to tell you about the very special books we've chosen for this year's Randolph Reads.
Hi, my name is Alan Tran, and I read A Bigger Picture. It's a call to action about the problems in diversity in activism, especially in issues such as climate change. Yeah, so one thing that's really driven her with this inspiration is being able to channel her negative experiences as fuel to create positive change for the world.
Hi, my name is Nala, and I read the book Little Monarchs by Jonathan Case.
Hi, my name is Orkins, and I read the book Little Monarchs.
This huge thing happened, and almost all of animals and reptiles get wiped out.
They go on many adventures to make an antidote for a sickness from the sun.
It teaches people how to improve the earth and how to not destroy the earth.
We read The Wild Robot. The Wild Robot is about a robot named Roz and how she got stranded on an island. She figures out that she's on an island, so then she starts to adapt to it, so then she can learn the way of the wild. I would recommend this book because I feel like it kind of teaches kids and adults what you could learn from animals.
The Water Princess, and it's written by Susan Verity, and the illustrator is Peter H. Reynolds.
I think what makes the book good is that they actually talk about the environment and about how other kids in the world have questions about why water isn't clean and why it isn't everywhere that some people actually don't know the answer to.
Read, Restore,
Renew!
Randolph Reads 24!